Who's there?
Classic cabinets. Gerald, could you tell us a bit about the history of classic kitchens?
Basically, a classic kitchen is something that's got a lot of carvings or a lot of work that went into it. Very ornate, very classic.
Would you like to tell us about some of the things you would find in a classic kitchen?
Yes, you'd find a lot of stuff. So you'd find things like a corbel and crown moldings, light valances, columns, fluted gables, just anything that has lots of detail makes it a classic. Classic is usually the more expensive one because there's a lot more work involved in it. You got to put a lot of detail and you can see the workmanship that actually goes into it. We don't do carvings anymore. Very few people do carvings, but there's still a lot of machine work in it.
What about the materials involved in classic kitchens?
Classic kitchen is usually solid wood. Nobody knew about melamines and all the cheap stuff that they had back then. So.
Very true.